Welcome back to the vlog. We're here, beautiful Sunday afternoon. We are with Aaron and Brian with my bagged F30, and we got Brian's bagged Z. Very similar cars, except for his is a dark camo theme and mine's a light camo theme. Aaron's putting together a video for the Stancewars, and he, messaged me this morning and said, would I be up to do a shoot and get some video of the car, and I happily obliged. So I will link Aaron's Instagram below, and I'll also link Brian's Instagram below as well, and I'll show you a bit more of their cars, or of Brian's car anyway. And yeah, he was also top 100 at Stancewars yesterday. So this is what today's about. It's just kind of hanging, relaxing, seeing some sights, and checking things out. So if you want to see more, keep watching, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Brian lives about 3 hours away, and he just tows his 370 around, and this is what his tow rig looks like. What a sweet truck, and man, saves so many miles on your show car with being able to tow it around like that. Maybe that's something, if we're going to continue to do these types of shows with this car, then maybe we need to start thinking about getting a tow rig and investing into something like that, just to save the kilometers on the car.